I ran into this problem right away when I tried to use my Sony A6700 to record 4K video for an extended amount of time. Can you guess what that problem was? Overheating. Can you believe it? I was just recording about maybe a 20 or 25 minute video and boom, there goes overheating. So I found a solution for that, and that is the Ulanzi Camera Cooling Fan. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this fan right here, and I'm gonna start using it with my camera because I can't have delays when filming. You know what I mean? All right, so in the box, of course, we have our manual, and you're gonna wanna read through that in order to properly set up this device onto your camera. But here you can see we have the cooling fan. Wow, that's pretty heavy duty. I'm surprised. It's gonna add some weight clearly to your camera, so you're gonna probably wanna use this on a tripod. In here as well, we have a USB to USB-C, and that is going to be to power this cooling fan, so we're gonna have to have this hooked up when we're using it. But from my understanding is this will go onto the back plate, so you're gonna wanna open up your screen, put this cooling fan in, press this down, and then have it lock into the back of your fan right there. Then we're gonna plug it in and turn it on, and then that's what's gonna be able to cool your camera as you're running it. So don't run into overheat issues with this guy right here, and life will be great. I can't wait to get to use this. Stay tuned for more unboxings and tech hacks like this one. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.